Last part to the camera itself is what we call a dummy battery. This is important. So what a dummy battery is it takes the place of the regular battery that comes in the camera and allows you to plug the camera into an outlet. So I love dummy batteries. They are the best because you do not have to worry about the battery running out in the middle of your live stream, in the middle of your virtual presentation, or if you are making content to be posted later, having to stop and change that battery is annoying. The other option is to buy several batteries and you still have to get up and change it. So buy the dummy battery, plug it into the wall. There you go. Some cameras, some of the new ones allow you to use USB-C to go ahead and charge the camera that way. And if the camera comes with that, you feel free to do that. But I like the dummy battery because I can use the USB-C to connect it to my computer so I can have a live view and see myself. And you don't have to buy additional cables. In the guide, I gave a link for a dummy battery from Amazon that will fit the Canon R50. The important thing is this: when you pick a dummy battery, you want to make sure that it matches the battery type that you have. For the Canon R50, it has an LPE17 battery. So the dummy battery fits right. It's the same size as that. You plug it in, and then a plug plugs into that, you plug it into the wall. Dummy batteries are a lifesaver. Trust me. Okay, now really, this is the last part to the camera setup. You need to have a tripod. Yeah. I mean, you could use some books or set it up on things, and that's okay. But the thing about a tripod is this: it allows you to move the camera around. You can use different parts of the room for different sets. You're not limited because most of them have adjustable legs. All three of the legs adjust. So if you have to put it in a corner, you can make one leg shorter than the other ones and then kind of sit it where it stays still. I mean, and they come with levels already on them. So you can, a bubble level. So you can see when the camera is level and not lopsided. Now, I included a tripod on the list. You don't have to get that one. I picked the one that's similar to what I use, and it's not the cheapest one, but it's a little bit heavy duty, made out of aluminum and not just plastic. So it's like the next level up. So you want to look for something like that. Now, in terms of the connector for the camera, of course, you could. This one has a ball head, so you can swivel around. It's a ball. It's a ball. It's a ball that fits in there. The camera's on top, and you can turn the ball like you want. And there's a thing on there where you can like flip it to the side, bam, and then you're shooting vertical. So it fits all of those. Another type is a fluid head. It's really close to the tripod you're used to seeing with the handle that comes out the back, and you can kind of swivel it from left to right. In this case, we're not doing any action shots. We're not having to pan and do those things. We're just going to set up, do a talking head, and go about our business. So the ball head is not bad. And at the time of this recording, the tripod I had down there is $59.99. Of course, Amazon has sales all the time. You might see something 10% off. You might see $20 off. The name brand doesn't matter. Just as long as you have a tripod, it's okay.